Hi guys, in this video I show you how to make an Amazon review on your phone. Open the Amazon shopping app first, then tap on your profile in the bottom. You can now search for the purchased product where you want to write a review. I'm going to select this one. Scroll down until you see write a product review. Tap on this. First we are going to select the amount of stars we want to give this product. Then we are going to write an objective and honest review. After this, we also need a very nice and catchy title. It should relate to your product review. You also have the option to share a video or photo. I'm going to upload 2 photos of this product. It's very helpful for the readers of your review to see photos about the issue or quality problems. Also, if you want to highlight how good and nice the product is. To finish this review, just tap on submit in the bottom. Once your review is submitted, it can take at least 24 to 72 hours until it's published. You will receive an email from Amazon that your product review is live. Then you can just check the product and find your review. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.